Objection number 3.
This matter, I am for the appellant.
But I am appearing on behalf of Union of India. Well, no copy of stay application has been served.
I am for the university.
On last occasion also I mentioned that no copy has been served till date. No copy of
It
the
was
application.
served, affidavit of service was filed. I filed affidavit of service also.
Since my engagement, my lord, by honorable.
I am handing over a copy, my lord. He has a very little role in this matter. This is the extra copy I am serving.
Just now.
Service has been effected long back. Affidavit of service has been filed. It has not been sent to him by his client. So that for that reason, I am not responsible.
Yes, Mr. Dutta.
Lordship. My lord, before I open the case, my lord, I just give a lordship the
Substitution merits.
I think it will. I don't have Charpata Baji. That's how I would.
খরচা বাঁচাচ্ছেন কেন ক্লায়েন্টের? আসেইনি, আসেনি।
Who is the rich petitioner? And you are Union of India. You are for the university.
All are here, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Dutta.
Lordship, my lord, in a nutshell, but I just give a lot of the background of the case. Where the writ petitioner in this case was an employee of a project. Now, my lord, I'll show one after the other, I'll show some of the documents to establish. Now, my lord, the university, in its wisdom, in breach of the statutes, the Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya Act and also the Control of Expenditure Act have purported to take them into the regular establishment of the university. So this is precisely the case. Now, my lord, the law is well said. This is the kind of backdoor entry which is not permissible because it is without the prior approval of the government. This creation or appointment cannot be made. You'll also heard this matter for some time last occasion. Now here, my lord, if I
Didn't hear, Mr. Dutta. We didn't hear.
no, my lord, for section 5.
Oh, what's
Lordship, kindly, this is the background. Whether this absorption or my lord, the bringing in the regular establishment of BCKV, the BCKV could do it in breach of statutes, the University Statute, as well as the Control of Expenditure Act, 2006. I'll come to that. Lordship, kindly sees how he was appointed. I shall try to be very brief. Kindly have a look to page 69 once. The appointment letter of the writ petitioner. I will start from here because Lordship, kindly have a look to page 69. Of the state petition. Lordship, this is 12th of January 84. Right hand top. 12th January 1984. It is handwritten at the top right hand. This is the Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya Registrar's Department. And while the project is 100% government, central government funded, this is very vital. The project is 100% central government funded. Now, if I place the letter of appointment, page 69, in terms of the resolution of the Executive Council of the 22nd meeting held on 13th January 1984, Sri Dilip Kumar Sharma, son of Swansu, is hereby offered appointment to the temporary post, Lordship kindly says temporary post of fieldman under the project entitled Comprehensive Scheme, that is cost of cultivation of principal crops of West Bengal for implementation under the Vishwavidyalaya. So, this Vishwavidyalaya is the host university. Through the university, the project will work. So, it is actually in the scale of so and so and on the following terms and conditions. Initial pay in the scale of such and such will be fixed at so and so as per rules plus allowances as admissible under the rules. Then the post will be purely temporary, B, small b, and may be terminated by 1 month's notice. Then next sentence is also very important. Well, page 69, your lordship, page 69.
Yes, yes.
Then B I was reading, small b at page 69. No assurance can whatsoever be given regarding continuation of the appointment beyond the period for which the project has been sanctioned. Lordship kindly sees, this is the appointment in a project. Post university is BCK. And here the temporary post, repeated, is purely temporary, then temporary post of fieldman. Fieldman. Confusion has been created later on. There is a regular post of field assistant in the university. So at times it has been this camouflaged, or that fieldman and field assistant more or less is not that. So the appointment is to the post of temporary post of fieldman in a project. Post university is Bidhan Chandra Krishna Vishwavidyalaya. And then no assurance can whatsoever be given regarding continuation of the appointment beyond the period for which the project has been sanctioned by the appropriate authority or absorption in any permanent or temporary post in Vishwavidyalaya. Clearly it is mentioned that this is no assurance. As if the project comes to an end, the offer will also come to an end. As if. And that's why it is specifically mentioned this will not. No assurance can whatsoever be given regarding continuation of the appointment beyond the period for which the project has been sanctioned by the appropriate authority or absorption in any permanent or temporary post in the Vishwavidyalaya. Then, my lord, you require to serve anywhere. Then, D. The terms and conditions of appointment will be governed by the provisions of Bidhan Chandra Krishna Vishwavidyalaya Act 1974. But I'll take your lordship to the act. But here, lordship kindly says, the terms and conditions of appointment will be governed by the provisions of the Bidhan Chandra Krishna Vishwavidyalaya Act 1974 and Amendment Act 1981, ordinance, statutes, regulations and rules framed thereunder and resolutions of the appropriate authority of the Vishwabharati. Now, my lord, clearly the terms and conditions will be governed by the Bidhan Chandra Krishna Vishwavidyalaya Act 1974. Now, my lord, this is, lordship, I just placed the factual. Yes. Then, my lord, the F. I'm omitting, my lord, not very relevant at this juncture. F. His selection in the temporary post of fieldman is conditional that he should produce a certificate of medical fitness before joining. So, my lord, again, my lord, repeatedly this is temporary post, temporary. At least thrice, 4 times is stated. Is conditional that he should produce a certificate of fitness before joining. The assignment for which he may appear before the medical officer of the Vishwavidyalaya, Himaisun Kolani. If he is agreeable to accept the offer of appointment on the terms and conditions and the scale of pay, he may join the post within 15 days. And he accepted and he joined thereafter. So, my lord, they accepted these terms. Now, if I take your lordship to
Why did you keep, when did the project come to an end?
Well, the project has continued for years.
So, Mr. Dotto, this point was not taken in any of the governing body meeting where your nominee is there, that you are continuing a person, ultimate burden will come to the state.
Well, this lordship kindly says that
you extracted service from 1984. Now, when he has attained 60 years, you are saying you will not get pension. Government.
That's the case they have made out in the rest petition.
And you have given to other similarly situated persons under the same.
My answer is very simple. There cannot be a negative equality. There cannot be. They is well settled. Well, I'll cite a judgment. At least one judgment I'll cite today itself. Now, lordship kindly sees, yes, that's one aspect of the matter. There is another aspect. Lordship kindly sees that if it is governed by the terms and conditions of the Bidhan Chandra Krishna Vishwavidyalaya, what the Act says, 190, lordship takes page. Well, the participation of a government nominee in a meeting doesn't partake the character of the government sanction or approval.
Right, you are right, but you have done so. It is not that any expense is covered by the finance department just for because a person was a nominee. You also know that.
My lord, Lordship kindly says,
These people are conscious that we are disbursing this grant, we will face the problem later.
no, my lord, the grant, my lord, in a different context. Lordship kindly bear it for some time. My lord. I'll just place one up to the other. My lord, Lordship kindly.
Now,
Kindly-
what has the learned single judge directed? Disburse the pensionary benefits.
Yes.
Any contempt you preferred?
My lord, this.
This was decided upon affidavits, writ petition.
Yes. Yes. Everything. Everything. Lordship, my lord, this is. এইটাতে না এইটাতে মালতী
Someone
আচ্ছা বাদ
under salary captaincy post, someone single project.
কৌশিকের অর্ডার রয়েছে
You have not been served. University.
State petition I have not served. State copy of
সার্ভিস
University has the receipt.
I don't know what is happening.
Yes, served upon you, madam.
Mr. Kapadi is not served. I say it has sent to him. I have sent by registered post to Delhi. His client has not forwarded in a copy. Only 4 papers have been sent to him. He says it has not been served.
Don't proceed with the contempt, then we hear it or how hear the matter finally.
Well, kindly fix a time for the matter, my lord. This person has already expired, my lord. Now for the family pension,
Person expired.
Yes, sir.
my lord, the original writ petitioner
When did he?
after delivery of the judgment.
Oh,
ওটা তুমি
Now it's only
করতে হবে তো।
subscription হয়ে গেছে।
Subscription হয়ে গেছে।
ও, sir,
It's only for family pension.
এভিডেন্স সার্ভিস ফাইল করা হয়েছে তো।
আধা দেয় অর্ধেক দেয় অর্ধেক।
এটা বাজে কথা বলছি আপনাদের ইউনিভার্সিটি
তা আমরা কি করবো? বাজে কথা বললে
বলে the evidence of services they are kindly have a look.
when can you file the paper book, Mr.
Paper book, yes, I can. কতদিন লাগবে 2 সপ্তাহ তো লাগবে
You file it by 24th of December.
yes, that will do, yes, but not
That
in
fee-
this in the next year. It goes to next year.
We will fix it up on a particular date.
Yes,
At
as well as it.
such time, he will not proceed in court.
Yes, that's good. Well, the evidence server, they are saying, I don't know how they are saying.
You prepared the
Serve them.
prepared the paper book, give a copy to.
That's it. It's not correct to say that copies have not been served.
আপনি হেল্প
But Mr. Dotto, you have a burden to discharge.
This case, I am fully ready. I'm fully ready, even today. I'm fully ready to argue the matter and complete it. Here, the direction is upon the university.
Take steps upon your government nominees. These persons attend the meeting, they don't give a dissenting note also that what you are doing will be against the interest of the government. And today you, the government leader, you are bringing interpretation about nomination of a member.
Yes.
So how incorrigible, see these officers. In finance department will sanction any amount from the government. All directions of court, finance is under consideration. And see what finance does.
And Maharaj, this is a very, the task is heavy upon me. But here, Maharaj, in this case, the direction is upon the university to pay, not the government.
Then don't prefer appeal, they will pay. Don't prefer appeal. Yes, on that count we can dispose of the appeal, that there is no burden upon
Just wait for 6th of January.
No, we will record that there will be no burden of the state in view of the order passed by the. We will interpret the order. Let the university suffer. Let the VC come in contempt. Do something, Mr. Dotto.
I can directed the university to pay the pension to the petitioner.
Why, man?
Yes, because Mr. Dotto, whatever we have seen all the municipality appointments, ROPA 92 given, ROPA 90 benefit given, ROPA 98 benefit given, innumerable meetings held by the government nominees in consultation with the municipalities that yes, he's working. Yes, approved. Now when his retirement comes, the sanction goes to the state. What will finance department say? Finance will automatically raise an objection that there was no sanction post, no sanction vacancy. Why should government be burdened with this financial liability?
Or without the approval of the government.
No approval was taken at the time of appointment. Appointment was in the 80 or 90.
See, now what will a court of equity do tell us? Court will shut its eyes. Court in exercise of equity cannot shut its eyes that you have extracted service, everything done.
That is true.
Provident fund, such and such all account was open. Certain amount has been deducted from his salary every month. In this case also, I think.
Mr. Dotto, you see the yearly budget allocation of state. Towards interest payments, state spends crores of monies. All education interest matter, 8% interest.
Now it is reduced to 6, I understand.
You are happy for that?
So we are not recording that. You give a copy to the Learned Council of the university. Give a copy of the. She is claiming that he has not.
It will be given to her.
Yes.
It has already been given, Mother, but
again,
for the second time I will be giving.
Once again, court can direct press service.
Copies of the pensioners who were your colleagues in that system. Bring the PPUs. And if you can get 1988 ROPA fixation, there is a memo which contains the signature of both the university and the state. You can bring. Look into it. Yes, next.
The item 6, more or less the same matter.
You are there, Mr. Banerjee?
No, Mr. 6 minor
Item 6, who is for the appellant?
Appellant most probably Mr. Dotto.
Who is for the
It is the appellant.
And who is Union of
I'm the appellant, I'm the writ petitioner.
Writ petitioner.
I am the appellant.
Item 6.
Item number 6.
Item 6, I'm the writ petitioner respondent.
That also decided on affidavits.
Yes.
Affidavits, but more or less the points of law are almost similar in that matter.
Here, my lord, and I'm covered by the death retirement benefit regulations. The definition of pensionary service includes my case.
Mr. Chatterjee, we have fixed that matter on 6th of January.
But they cannot be heard together. They can be heard one after the other, but not together.
But some points are almost similar.
But not all points.
All right, very good. You have filed any contempt application?
That already order is there that I'll not proceed with the contempt.
That order is all.
Just you are in item. Who is in item number 4 and 5?
4 and 5 are
Just 2 minutes. We take a
2
seat.
minutes, my lord.
And the other thing is, well, the employer share of contributory provident fund was taken back with interest.
Employer share of provident fund নিয়ে নিয়েছে।
In terms of the DCR meet, Malad, and let that money be secured in the meantime.
State reports.
In that case, well, the report was filed. Report is the form of affidavit.
Yes.
But more or less, well, the law points are almost same. Facts are a little different. Right?
That's around, But the other distinguishing feature, Malad, I'm a teacher, he's a non-teaching employee.
আচ্ছা মিস মোজ
We have been informed that is another appeal David.
But the order already that they will not pursue the contempt is already there.
That is there, Mr. Dutta. না দেখি বাবা তারপর আবার কোর্টকে বলবে দেখে
I can move the content in January.
he earlier ordered he said Mr. Chatterjee assures this court shall not proceed with the contempt application in the meantime.
In the meantime means
আজকে শেষ হবে।
further orders-
আজকে শেষ হবে।
in the meantime goes.
আচ্ছা এই লাইনটাও অ্যাড করলেন।
এই লাইনটা
চ্যাটার্জি
assures
assures before this court that the repeated respondent number 1 shall not proceed with the contempt application till the disposal of the appeal.
Till January end. In the other matter, my lords have said
Until the
January end.
end of January or until further order, whichever is earlier.
yes.
Worship grateful.
আচ্ছা মিস্টার মিত্র your brief this is that fake certificate. আচ্ছা where is that Justice Chondo in another matter directed a criminal investigation report to be filed.
Lordship.
Can you show us that report?
Lord, report has not been handed over to us. Lord.
But it is kept on record of
Yes,
that.
but it has been handed over to the
Do you have it?
Honorable Court.
You have it?
We have.
No, in the other matter.
Report we have.
You have, but you didn't place that before us.
No, it is not there. No, report for the last commission, I just shown, Lord, if your Lordship, Lord, kindly takes the order. In the order, Lord, the report has been quoted. The order of Justice Chondo, Lord, the 15th of September 2023.
That is not with us. Order, kindly see Justice Chondo's orders.
You have the.
No, you have given copy.
Now, Lord, if your Lordship, Lord, can I see?
Report is kept on
Yes,
record.
kept with the file a report before this court on 23rd of August 2023. A copy of the report was made over to the parties. Yes,
That you have.
yes, I have. But today I don't have alert, but I have the copy.
So please, we want to see, go through it once. যেটাতে সিমিলার ম্যাটারে করতে নো করে দিয়েছে তাতে একটা ক্রিমিনাল ইনভেস্টিগেশন কোথায় আই যেটা আমরা অলরেডি ক্রিমিনাল ইনভেস্টিগেশন ফাইল দিয়ে রিপোর্ট Okay, decided issues. Body learned dead.
ঠিক আছে।
Mr. Mitro, your office, your university must be knowing about that.
Yes.
In that, seeing the report, you yourself submitted that I will.
And I will try to procure it from the university.
No, not procured. If that is the stand of the university, why you are not taking that stand in this case? If they were students of the same year, you both had applied for review. Because your allegation is that there had been a fraud practice by the university officials for which we have initiated a proceeding.
Lordship.
Just let us see that because he has got already an appointment. Once we pass the verdict, his appointment goes.
Lordship.
A development.
I appear for the appellant, Your Lordship. Kindly have a look, Your Lordship's last order, 28th October
Sir,
2025.
don't pray for it.
No, I am not doing it.
28th October 2025 order, and before that, 30th June 2025.
What wrong did we do?
There was a direction by the Honorable Coordinate Bench to আজকে টাইম ছিল
টাইম চাইছি না, তুই শোনার আগেই তো বলে দিলি, তো প্রচন্ড জাজমেন্টাল না তুই।
রিপোর্টটা
matter, my lord. I am not assisting in this particular matter.
Who is his junior in this matter?
But I cannot say, my lord. Over phone, Mr. Sen has requested me to. I am in this matter for the state, my lord, but not for the education department. I am there. Mr. Sen will appear for the state, and perhaps he has the document. I don't know, but kindly, pass it over. I am not praying for answer.
It over when once he comes, he may not be there.
At 1 p.m. Can it be your lordship's convenient to or 2 p.m. my lord?
We are keeping it on Monday. Tell Mr. Sen that if the report has not yet come, to take appropriate steps in the meantime.
On Monday.
On Monday we are.
Your Lordship, kindly pass a one-line order, makes it a peremptory direction.
How many times will you direct? Let us see. When Mr. Sen is there, we told him. We
But
also.
around the last occasion, I am also convened, my lord.
So if he is in difficulty, let no further time be taken.
But today he is ready with the matter, but praying for what possible. If your lordship suits,
Copy of the report has to be filed on us. We have to go through that report.
my lord.
Yes, next.
be
If
filed on Friday.
you have come with a report, then give a copy in the meantime. There is no
My
problem.
lord, I will talk with you. I will, my lord.
Yes, next.
Yes, Your Lordship is speaking on Monday. Good.
Even my lord, I am appearing for the respondent college services commission.
Your Lordship, I appear on behalf of the appellants. I just wanted to indicate that the impugned judgment has been passed by Honorable Justice Chatterjee while he was sitting in single bench. So I'm praying for.
The order impugned in the present appeal has been passed by one of us.
extension of recommendation.
16 তারিখ রেখে
Grateful to you.
Grateful.
Number 9.
I am appearing on behalf of state respondents.
Yes.
On behalf of the advocate Ali Hassan Alamgir also.
Madam, you mention matter listed and you do not.
My lord, the senior advocate Pratik Dhar is also engaged in court number 18 for
You're
this.
so happy to learn that, madam. You people are busy. Every day you people are busy. Not today.
But 10.
Again, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, Lordship. Yesterday, Lordship, directed
Yes.
to serve upon the Lordship
For the statement.
SSC, Lordship. I have already served. SSC, Lordship.
Fileটা দেখতে
Lordship, it's
come
a
this side.
matter.
Come this side. You come this side.
Lordship, matter relates to the appointment of.
But I had called up Dr. Papua yesterday. He is aware, my lord. I think he will come running.
ওই তো বেঁচে গেছিস আমার ডিস্টার্ব
এটা তো আমার মামলা, আমার এটা না। না, my lord, the honorable trial judge has denied the relief, putting that I have approached the court after, my lord, the time. My contention is that.
Just a minute.
Extend করেছে আপনি তো
নাম্বার দিতে চলে যাবো। ঠিক আছে, আমার বোনের সঙ্গে আছে সুবিধা।
এবার তোমায় দিবে নোটিফিকেশন
Yes.
নোটিফিকেশন ওরা
Yes, tell us, Mr.
my lord, it has been submitted, my lord, kindly, paragraph 11. What was the stand of the commission? The commission.
You were pursuing a B.Ed for special
education course. Yes.
And you are
I
you are a B.Ed qualified.
No, I'm pursuing.
Why in say fourth paragraph it is said? Oh, that is a mandatory criteria for participation in that recruitment.
In the recruitment, not the teachers' eligibility. Recruitment rule says first there will be teachers' eligibility test. Thereafter, the recruitment will be held. In the recruitment, the teachers' eligibility test will be having some marks, which is the only written. I will be showing you.
Maybe, but the prescribed qualification was
for recruitment, not for teachers' eligibility test. For participating in the teachers' eligibility test.
So how, if you are not suitable for recruitment, why they will allow you to?
That is the TATE guidelines. Kindly says, and this has been considered by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has held.
Then why didn't you come in time?
Well,
it's been a fancy time.
Well, only kindly says what is the
9th September was the date.
The Malord recruitment process itself is contrary to the order of the Supreme Court, which gives me right to part. Kindly once comes to the TATE guidelines first, and thereafter page 94.
Those points were not taken. Well, now you have been engaged, you are not taken.
No, I was there, man. I had. Then kindly comes to page 20. It is annexed, page 94. This is the TATE guideline. Page 9. This has been considered by the Supreme Court. Kindly comes. And this is also reflecting in the recruitment rules too. This is the guidelines for TATE, page 94. Guidelines for conducting this 11th February 2011 guidelines for conducting teachers eligibility test under the right to such and such. Kindly comes to the next page.
Why? What is the wrong with this page?
Yes, that is the first page.
That
next
point
page.
has not been decided.
Eligibility. Following candidates shall be eligible to appear in the TAT. Number 1 is a person who has acquired academic and professional qualification.
Why did you show us 94?
94 is the first page. Second page is the guide.
What does 94 say?
Is the forwarding of the guidelines. In accordance with the provisions of subsection 1, section 23 of the RT Act, National Council for Teachers Education had by notification dated 23rd August 2010 laid down the minimum qualification for a person to be eligible for
appointment.
Yes. As a teacher in class 1 to 8, it had been inter alia provided that one of the essential qualifications for a person to be eligible for appointment as teacher in any of the schools referred to in clause N to section such and such is that she should pass teacher's eligibility test, which will be conducted by the appropriate government in accordance with the guidelines framed by NCTE. This has regard, please such and such find the enclosed guidelines for conducting the teacher's eligibility test for the necessary action at your end. Now kindly see, next page is the guideline who are eligible to participate in the teacher's eligibility test. Now I'll just skip the background and everything, page 95. Kindly see eligibility. 5, clause 5. Following persons shall be eligible for appearing in the TAT. A person who has acquired the academic and professional qualifications specified in NCT guidelines such and such, I do not fall in this category. I fall in category 2. A person who is pursuing any of the teachers education course recognized by the NCT or RCI, in my case RCI, as the case may be specified in NCT notification dated such and such. Now, this was considered by the Honorable Supreme Court. Kindly takes up, my lord.
The Supreme Court will come later. Then what happened?
Thereafter, my lord, there was a litigation in the Honorable Supreme Court which says that.
Where is the notification?
Yes. The notification is at page 103.
No, this is August.
May I draw your lordship's attention to the rules and thereafter notification or directly to the notification?
Notification.
Notification.
103.
No, it refers 9th September 25. This
yes,
is
104. 104. 103 is the first page, 104. 9th September 25.
Yes, show us what is the.
Yes.